let's get started. Now, many of us have had one problem or another, or you've been stuck on a tough problem. Maybe you're just not feeling Shakespeare tonight or anytime. Well, we've all been there. Homework can be tough, but what if there was a way to make it a little easier actually? Now, Brainly says, get a boost for homework, studying, and test prep with Brainly, the AI learning companion. You can sign up for free. The free is with ads, so you can get ad-free learning starting at $3 per month. Now, what do you gain from using Brainly? You get expert verified homework help, unlimited 24/7 support powered by AI and verified by experts. You also get personal study plans designed just for you to help you ace your tests, quizzes, and exams with AI-powered test preparation. You also get instant answers to unlock infinite discoveries. You can dive deeper into topics and gain a better understanding of those topics. Now, expert knowledge enhanced by AI, so you can get unlimited homework help, dive deeper with AI, and be ready with test prep. You can sign up for free and you can also meet the experts. So, these are the experts we have: Susan Carter, Biology, Chemistry and Physics; Stephen H., Social Studies; and Cash Dexter for Maths. So, they get a 4.7 based on 261.4K ratings. A learning companion that goes wherever you go. Never get stuck again with your personal learning companion like a tutor in your pocket. So if you have word of questions, media word of answers, it's very, very nice. Or subjects, you can see the subjects here and everything. Then you can see other people that's participants and registered for it. It is as simple as that.